Don't you think that it's boring how people talk? Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored. Because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing a million things I want. And I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I know they'll never own me. Getting caught half of the trip though, isn't it? I fall apart with all my heart. And you can watch from your window. I'll be getting on my first plane. I'll see the veins of my city like they do in space. But my head's filling up fast with the wicked games up in flames. How can I fuck with the fun again when I'm known? And my boys strip me up with their heads again, loving them. Everything's cool when we're all in line for the throne. But I know they'll never own me. Baby, be the class clown, I'll be the beauty queen in tears. It's a new art form showing people how little we care. We're so happy, even when we're smiling out of fear. Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah. And talk it up like yeah. And talk it up like yeah. Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah. And talk it up like yeah. And talk it up like yeah. Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life for me, yeah. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life for me. Ooh, and I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling.
I look outside, all I want is just to get away. I'll wait one more night. My mind is always so afraid.
Alright, designated driver, but I'm drinking till my wallet's closed. This right here, that's rock and roll. You just call it Rocky Road. Sorry, Mr. Ossifer. Okay, I'm an officer, but all these shots just turn me to a gossiper. TMZ binoculars are knocking on my window like I'm popular. All I see is red lights, ain't nobody stopping ya. You must be confused, I don't think you read the news much. I'm a Rasta monster on the beat, Louis Guzman. And I feel like I'm drinking for the first time. Ain't no medicine to keep my head from spinning. And I feel like I'm drinking for the first time. So let me take you back to the beginning. I mean like way back, you get love and I make that. My bass notes cost pesos, these girls coming like ASAP. So stay strapped, stay good, they hated on what we could've been. And I'm backpacking through Brooklyn, we made a song, we good again. Hey now, you've been fucking up my day now. I just gotta find a way out. I don't wanna go home. Hey now, oh I'm finally getting paid now. I got bottles you can take out. I don't wanna go home. Girls be in the club tryna sing along the Tayo cruise. Swear they know like every word, but they can't even tie their shoes. I'm amused, my music's influenced by the muses. I'm confused, did you think I liked you for your new kicks?